How are you today?
Tired, sir.
I can see that. So, what did you do after, before this class?
We did math exam, sir.
Oh, no wonder all of you look so serious.
Yes, sir. It was difficult.
Okay, I see. But don't worry, it's in this time. We're gonna have fun and make it happy together. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Now, we're gonna have a take deep breaths and relax and smile. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Now, look at me here. What activities do you see this? Okay, yeah.
Basketball, sir.
Nice. Another of that.
Shopping, sir.
Good job. And the others? Rehani?
Running, sir.
Great. So, this is activities we have. And this is the video. Now,
Good morning, Sally. How are you?
I'm great. What did you do yesterday? We went to the park. What did you do in the park?
We flew kites. His kites flew high.
Wow, you're good.
okay. Now, what do you get from this video? Okay, Dharma.
So in the video, a boy went to the park, sir.
Nice. What did he do? Anyone can answer? Okay, Okta.
He flew a kite, sir.
Great, Okta. That's a nice answer and great answer. Okay, class. What we learned today is telling what we did yesterday, last week, even last year. So my turn out today is what did you do? And now I'm gonna tell you how to use the past tense for telling our activities in past. First, I'm gonna tell you my activities. Okay. Yesterday, I taught a big class for 20 minutes. Okay. As I would like to tell you my activities yesterday. Okay. Yesterday, I taught a big class at 1 p.m. And after that, I have lunch time in the canteen. Then it was only 20 minutes. I ate with Rosalie and forgot to drink a water. So after the break time was over, I continued to teach and feel so thirsty and can't focus to teach. So I'll tell you now how to use past tense for telling our activity in the past. So in here we have a material for past tense. It's about to tell what you did yesterday, last week, even a long time ago. But we have two kind of grammar in here, grammar and formula. It's verbal and nominal. In verbal, we use subject, verb to, and time sign. And for the nominal, we're going to use subject was, word is to be, and adverb, noun, adjective plus time sign. So, what is a time signal, sir? We have the time signal in here. It's yesterday, last night, last week, and month, or years. So, this is what my material can touch to you. Then then what we should do is, can you guys make a sentence and read your sentence with your activity in the past? Okay, now I'll give you a minute to make a sentence. Okay, you can use your phone or your laptop to looking for two. If you don't know the verb one from verb two your sentence. Okay, time's up. Who's gonna be the first to tell your first sentence? Okay, Dharma.
Okay, sir, I want to try. So I went to the canteen yesterday.
Good, Dharma. Another? Okay, Liani.
I did homework early last night.
Great. How about the others? Okay, Okta.
Yesterday, I and my brother ran for 20 minutes for exercise.
Wow, that's so healthy. Okay, the last one is Ketia.
Sir. So I see my boyfriend walk with another girl last Saturday night.
Oh, that's so really sad to hear, guys, but you cheer up.
So
It,
sad.
yeah. Okay, good guys. Now you guys already make a sentence with the past tense with your activity in the past. So, but we have a run out of time right now. So, the next class could you guys make a paragraph with your past activities?
Yes, sir.
So that's great. So I think that's all from me.